When working with stretch fabric, you're going to be able to use the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic Sewing Advisor, and it's going to pick the right stitch. It'll tell me which foot I should have on and also adjust the pressure of the foot. So watch this. Start by going up to the Joy OS Advisor. Tell the machine that you're going to be working on a stretch fabric. I'm going to pick stretch medium. And then if we actually need the seam, because that's what we're doing, is go ahead and touch seam. What it does is it jumps into what is called a project tab. It picks the exact stitch for me, and based on the fabric I told it I'm working on, pick the right stitch length, and then adjusted the pressure for me as well. And then also, if the tension needed to be changed, it would have done that. It tells me I need a stretch needle size 90, and the stitch is all ready to go. So all I have to do is go ahead and just take some stitches, and because the pressure of the foot has been adjusted, the fabric's going to come out nice and flat. In the little tutorial down here, should I need a little assistance of how I should sew an actual seam, will give me that right idea. So let's just go ahead and take a look at what stitch it picked and why. Look how flat it is. It's just perfect, but yet it still has that give that we need when we're sewing on knit fabric. When you want to go back to just basic stitching, I would recommend that you go back and tell it that you're going to be using, say, a woven medium fabric, and then just do start new. You can then go back to the regular turquoise flag and pick a straight stitch.